Welcome to the Survey Protocol Report tutorial. This is Ashley
and Chaz
with the VGS Dev team. This tutorial will show you how to generate a survey method report. A survey report summarizes data collected during survey input.
To run a survey report, open the Site window. Then select the Log tab. In the Log tab, you will see all of the events when data collection has occurred. Select the plus sign next to the survey. Then select the plus sign next to the form name. Highlight the survey method name. Select Reports, Method Reports, then Survey Results Listing.
The Report Viewer window will open. The survey report displays all answers selected in the survey, as well as any comments added for the survey questions. For more information on report presentation and modification, please see the Reporting Options tutorial. A survey report can be run from within a survey. Open the survey, select More Info, then Report. Select the caret next to Current Survey, highlight the survey name, then select Run.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS Dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.